can see the fishing boat just here. I wonder if we can get close enough to take a look inside. Pretty tall, and it looks like this is a cemetery behind here. Things just got a little spooky. I think if we jump up on this tire, maybe we can see up over there. Let's try. You gotta be a pretty small person. That's the engine room down in there. Just up here, and this is how you look. It's a small spot. This is how they navigate. And then this is where they sleep. So you're either navigating or sleeping, or you're in the engine room. That must be where they keep all the fish. All right, let's see if we. All right, we made it. Let's get on up out of here. Wow, that ship tells an amazing story. It's not easy being a fisherman. You can see how small that sleeping place, and then the navigation is just a little box where you put your head through the window. It's actually pretty small, smaller than probably a camping tent. A big boat, but the working quarters is pretty small. DJI is pretty handy. I thought the iPhone 13 mini was small, but this is tiny. You can get up into some small spaces, and then you can move the camera to different angles to look up or down, and also automatically track your face. Alright, I think this is the end of the line on this side. Join us next time for more nature walks. Brought to you by Black Travel Man. If you enjoyed these videos, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment below. Are you thinking about coming to Vietnam? If you've been here already, drop a 1. If you want to come here in the future, drop a 2. Or if you already in Vietnam, drop a 0.